In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account QR code and make payments with Wise Pay following a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're looking to streamline your payment process or make transactions a breeze, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open the Wise app on your mobile device or visit the Wise website on your computer. If you're not signed in already, go ahead and log into your account. It's important to have access to your account because everything we'll do today will revolve around it. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says request a payment or create payment link. Depending on your platform, this could be easily visible on your home screen or within a menu. When you find it, tap or click on it to begin. You should see a start button next. Tap it to move on. This will be the starting point where the magic happens. Next, you'll be presented with a few options for who you would like to request payment from. Here, you'll want to choose the Anyone option. This is crucial because it will allow you to generate a QR code that is easy to share with anyone who needs to send you money. Once you select Anyone, the app or website will generate a QR code specifically for you. This unique QR code is your gateway to receiving payments and can be shared with friends, family, or clients effortlessly. You can share this QR code through various means, whether it's via email, messaging apps, or even by showing it in person, making it incredibly versatile. Now, before you finalize everything, you have the option to add a payment amount and a short note. These are optional but can be incredibly helpful. For instance, setting a specific amount can eliminate any ambiguity about what's owed, while a short note can serve as a cordial reminder of what the payment is for. Once you're satisfied with your settings, tap the Done button. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Wise account QR code ready to share and facilitate easy payments. From here, it's just about waiting for the payment to come in, which should be as simple as sharing the QR code with the payer. Now that you've reached the end of this tutorial, you're well equipped to make receiving payments a hassle-free experience. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching and happy transacting with Wise Pay.